Hi everyone, welcome dear friends to this channel. In this video, I will tell and show you how you can quickly and easily disable voice control and headphones on your iPhone. Don't forget to like the video, write your comments, also subscribe to our channel. Well friends, let us get started. First of all, open the settings on your devices. After that you will need to scroll down in Settings and find the Apple Intellect and Siri or just Siri section. Now you will need to enable Siri here. That is, you will need to set your phone to have Siri or Hey Siri commands like this. Once you enable Siri, go back to Settings. Scroll down, find Face ID password. Click Please and enter your password from your device to enter this section. Now scroll down and take a look. Here you'll find these different options that you can customize for yourself. And here already disable, for example, voices, headphone controls, and so on. And in this way, friends, when you customize these items for yourself, you can disable or enable them. Disable Siri, for example, and so on. That way, when you're wearing headphones and maybe accidentally say Siri or accidentally press the side button, something else, that way you're no longer controlling your device through voice control. Once you've customized these options, you can just quietly exit the settings. The changes are all saved. I really hope this video was helpful to you. You saw how to disable voice control on your headphones. Be sure to put your likes and comments. See you, friends.